guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a super fun video for you. Come join me, let's bake some almond flour chocolate chip cookies together. And just a quick intro, these cookies are winners in this household. I'm probably asked to bake them at least once a week. They are just that good. And now, not any other store-bought cookie comes through the door. So let's just get to the recipe right away because I know you can't wait to get to the good part. But before we begin, please subscribe to my channel because I'm posting videos every week. And follow me on Instagram. I would love to meet you guys over there. This is what you'll need. There's quite a few ingredients, but I promise you it is so worth it to get them all. You'll need 2 cups of almond flour, 1 cup tapioca flour, 3/4 of a teaspoon of baking powder, a pinch of salt, 1/4 cup of coconut sugar, 1/2 cup of pecan bits, 1/2 cup of chocolate chips, and 6 diced dates. As for the wet ingredients, you'll need 4 tablespoons of coconut oil that's melted and cooled, 2 tablespoons of maple syrup or honey or both if you want, 1 egg, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and a splash of milk. I prefer to use oat milk, but any milk will work just fine. In a big bowl, prepare the dry mix first. So mix the almond and tapioca flours, baking powder, salt, coconut sugar, pecan bits, chocolate chips, and dates. In a separate bowl, mix the coconut oil, the maple syrup, honey, vanilla extract, egg, and a splash of milk. Pour the wet mix into the dry and mix well until you get a thick batter. If you feel like it's a little dry, you can add another splash of milk. Line a large baking sheet with some parchment paper and scoop a heaped tablespoon onto your hands to form small balls. And then set them on the baking sheet approximately 1.5 inches apart. Preheat the oven at 350 degrees and bake them for about 10 to 15 minutes or until the edges are golden. once they're out of the oven, just let them cool and enjoy. And that's it, you guys. You can also make this recipe vegan by replacing the honey with maple syrup exclusively, and replacing the egg for a flax egg, and of course the milk with some kind of nut milk. I like to use this recipe because it uses healthy ingredients, and chocolate chip cookies are my favorite kind of cookie, and this one tastes even better than store-bought. And so now I'm always making sure that I have all the ingredients in my pantry if I ever decide to do them on a whim. And if you guys prefer a blog post, I also have this recipe on my blog, and I'll make sure to link it down below. But I hope you enjoyed this little video. Please let me know if you tried them and tag me in the pictures if you do, because I promise you they won't disappoint you. So that's it, you guys. I'll see you next week. Bye.